How to fix Microsoft Visual C Plus runtime library assertion failed or Vulcanadapter.cc error. Now this is very basic. All you have to do is to reinstall your current Microsoft Visual CC Plus runtime library on your current operating system. You do not need to manually reinstall it or uninstall it directly on your softwares that you have from your computer. All you have to do is to re-download the updated version of Microsoft Visual. To do so, open up your preferred web browser and then head straight into Microsoft.com's official website, and then just simply go into all Microsoft and free downloads and security. From here, just simply choose on Visual Studio 2022. Scroll down from here and make sure to download both Architecture x86 and Architecture 64. Now you need to separately install each one of them. You'll have to start at x64 first and then go into x86. Once you, once you successfully reinstalled both of these Visual C++ runtimes from here, your PC needs to be restarted. Just simply restart it and reopen the application or software that you wanted to access again. And that is how you fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library assertion failed.